3 AI tools, millions of users, endless hype. But only one question actually matters. Which AI tool makes you the most money? Not which one sounds smartest, not which one trends on Twitter, not which one has the coolest marketing, which one actually helps you create better content faster and turn that into income. Because right now, thousands of creators are building entire businesses with AI. Some are growing faceless YouTube channels. Some are selling digital products. Some are running newsletters, agencies, or content pages almost entirely powered by AI. And most beginners make the same mistake. They pick one AI tool and treat it like a religion. ChatGPT is the best. No, Claude is smarter. No, Grok is the future. Meanwhile, the people making real money are doing something completely different. They're using each AI tool strategically for specific tasks, specific strengths, specific outcomes. So I decided to test all three extensively: ChatGPT, Claude, and Grok. I used them for YouTube scripts, content ideation, digital product creation, research, prompt engineering, business strategy, viral hooks, sales writing, and trend analysis. And in this video, I'm going to give you the real answer. No sponsorships, no affiliate bias, no fake guru energy, just honest results from real testing. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly which AI writes the best content, which one saves the most time, which one is best for making money, and which AI tool is overrated. Because the wrong AI tool for the wrong task can quietly waste hundreds of hours of your life. Let's get into it. First, ChatGPT. ChatGPT is the AI tool that basically started the modern AI explosion. And honestly, there's a reason it became dominant so quickly. It's fast, reliable, easy to use. And for most people, it's the first AI tool they ever experience. Now, where ChatGPT absolutely dominates is speed. If you need content ideas, hooks, captions, tweets, emails, product descriptions, short-form scripts, or brainstorming sessions, ChatGPT is ridiculously efficient. This thing can generate 50 content ideas in minutes. And that matters because speed creates volume. Volume creates opportunities. Opportunities create income. That's why so many creators still rely heavily on ChatGPT. It removes friction. But here's something most people never realize. The quality of ChatGPT depends heavily on your prompts. Weak prompts give weak outputs. Strong prompts unlock entirely different results. For example, instead of saying, "Write me a YouTube script," you say, "Act as a high-retention YouTube strategist." Write a 10-minute faceless YouTube script about AI side hustles with cinematic pacing, emotional hooks, open loops, and curiosity-driven transitions. That changes everything. And once you learn prompt engineering properly, ChatGPT becomes a content machine, especially for creators, especially for marketers, especially for digital products. But now we need to talk about where ChatGPT struggles. Because no AI tool is perfect, ChatGPT is optimized for speed and usability, not deep thinking. So when you ask it highly strategic or nuanced questions, sometimes the answers feel surface level, like it's giving you the internet summary version of intelligence. Good, useful, but not always deeply insightful. So here's my verdict. For rapid execution and content velocity, ChatGPT is elite. Money-making score, 8 out of 10. Now let's talk about the most underrated AI tool on the internet, Claude. Claude shocked me because Claude feels different. It thinks differently. The responses feel calmer, more structured, more thoughtful, and less robotic. And the moment I started using Claude for long-form content, everything changed. This is where Claude dominates: deep work, long-form writing, strategy, nuance, and complex thinking. When I ask Claude to write a YouTube script, the pacing feels more human. The transitions feel smoother. The storytelling feels more natural. And most importantly, the outputs need less editing. That's huge because editing time kills productivity. Claude is also unbelievably good at following detailed instructions. You can give it complicated multi-step prompts and it actually follows them properly. That sounds simple, but if you use AI daily, you know how important that is. I tested all three tools on the exact same prompt, a long-form YouTube script about AI business systems. ChatGPT gave me speed. Grok gave me information. Claude gave me the best final script by far. And if you create YouTube videos, ebooks, courses, digital products, detailed guides, or newsletters, Claude is incredibly powerful. Now, where does Claude struggle? Speed. Claude is slower. Not unusably slow, but noticeably slower than ChatGPT. And sometimes it becomes overly detailed, which is amazing for quality, but not ideal if you just need quick outputs. Still, for serious creators, the quality difference is worth it. Money-making score? 9 out of 10. Now, let's talk about the wild card, Grok. Grok is completely different from ChatGPT and Claude because it has something neither of them truly match, real-time internet awareness. And this changes the game completely. Because while other AI tools often rely on older training data, Grok knows what's happening right now. Today, this hour, this minute. And if you're in content creation, that matters more than people realize. Because attention follows trends, and trends move fast. Every major AI breakthrough creates opportunities. A new OpenAI release, a viral AI app, a platform update, a huge tech announcement. Whoever creates content first usually wins the most attention. And this is exactly where Grok becomes dangerous. It helps you move faster than the market. If a new AI tool starts trending today, Grok can immediately help you analyze it, summarize it, understand the opportunity, generate content angles, and create reaction content before most creators even know it exists. That speed creates leverage. Now, where does Grok struggle? Creative depth, long-form storytelling, emotional writing. Compared to Claude especially, Grok feels more informational than inspirational. It's amazing for data, less amazing for cinematic writing. So if your business depends heavily on trends, news, and rapid information, Grok becomes incredibly valuable. Money-making score? 7 out of 10. So which AI should you actually use? Here's the real answer. The creators winning in 2026 are not loyal to one AI tool. They're strategic. They use the right tool for the right job. Here's my actual workflow. For YouTube scripts, Claude. For brainstorming content ideas rapidly, ChatGPT. For trend research and current events, Grok. For digital product creation, Claude. For short-form captions and hooks, ChatGPT. For researching viral AI topics, Grok. For email marketing, ChatGPT. For deep business planning, Claude. And when you combine all three, you create an unfair advantage. Because now each AI tool is doing what it does best, instead of forcing one tool to do everything poorly. That's the real lesson here. AI is not about replacing intelligence. It's about multiplying execution. The creators who understand that early will dominate the next few years online. Now let me say something important. Most people watching this video will still do nothing. They'll keep watching AI content endlessly. They'll keep consuming, researching, comparing, and waiting. Meanwhile, somebody else is using these exact tools right now to launch products, build audiences, grow channels, create systems, and build income online. That's the difference between consumers and creators. Execution. The opportunity window for AI is still wide open, but it won't stay that way forever. Right now, attention is still available. Organic reach is still possible. AI tools are still massively underutilized by the average person. That won't last forever. So if I was starting from zero today, this is exactly what I would do. Use ChatGPT for speed. Use Claude for quality. Use Grok for trends. And combine all three into one workflow. That combination is insanely powerful. And if you want the exact prompts I use with each AI tool, the specific frameworks that consistently generate viral hooks, high retention scripts, digital product ideas, sales copy, and faceless content systems, check the resources linked below. Because once you learn how to direct AI properly, everything changes. You stop staring at blank pages. You stop wasting hours overthinking. You stop creating slowly. And you start building faster than ever before. If this video helped you understand the real strengths of ChatGPT, Claude and Grok, subscribe right now. Every week, I break down practical AI systems, creator strategies, and digital income workflows designed for the modern internet. No fake gurus, no unrealistic promises, just real systems that work. The AI revolution is already happening. The only question is whether you'll use it strategically or watch everyone else do it first. Start now. And I'll see you in the next video.